Rule number 5, under quotation marks. Rule number 5. A period or a comma following a quotation following a quotation should be placed inside the closing quotation mark. I mentioned this earlier on, but let's take an example to illustrate it. Make it 2 examples. Example 1. Now you know. It pointed out. Now the point I'm making now is this comma should not be outside the quotation mark that is closing the quotation. So we can't place it somewhere here. You can see it, we can't place it here. It has to be inside the closing quotation mark. That is the point. So that is for a comma. Let's look at the one for a period or full stop. The boy said. Let's make it more, make it clearer. So look at this. The boy said, "It's nice." This is the period ending the sentence. It's within the quotation mark closing the quotation. It's not outside it. It has to be inside the quotation mark. That is the point. So all of these rules are necessary for you to know how to use your quotation marks. If you're writing, for example, a narrative essay, and you need to include conversation, then you need your quotation marks. And if you want to use the quotation marks, you will need to use them correctly. In fact, that is what will earn you high marks under expression in your narrative essay. So this is how we use a period or comma following a quotation. It should be placed within the closing quotation mark, not outside it. But there's something we need to note now. If you look at this comma here, before the quotation itself is outside it. It's not inside the one introducing the direct speech, the exact words. It's outside it, it's before it. So you also need to look that. We may take a rule under that. I'm not too sure whether one of the rules I'll mention will include that. But when we get there, we'll just point it out briefly.